What do all of the continents have in common? Active volcanoes. Well, all except one. Can you guess which one? Volcanoes are usually found where tectonic plates meet, creating pressure that forces magma to the surface. From the fiery volcanoes of Hawaii to the massive eruptions in Indonesia, it seems like volcanic activity is everywhere. But there's one place on Earth where you won't find any of that action. This continent is sitting comfortably in the middle of its tectonic plate, far from any seismic edges. And without that pressure, there's no new volcanic activity. While this place had volcanoes millions of years ago, they've been dormant for thousands of years. So which continent is totally free from active volcanoes? As it turns out, Australia